we're doing the pop challenge. My friend Lammy's here. Hi.
Hi.
Our cups are even. We've checked. And it's pop in it, and we're gonna put it on there for a minute. I'm gonna start the timer, and then we'll start drinking it, and whoever drinks it all wins in 1 minute 60 seconds.
Let's hope we're not ready.
Kidding. I'm just gonna. And this is Silly Buddy. We got it. I just messing with that, so that's what the there's Silly Buddy there, and yeah. Okay, guys. That's Abby's cup. This is my cup. We will start the timer. What?
It smells good.
Because it's Dr. Pepper, so it smells good. Yeah. This is Dr. Pepper pop. And it's supposed to not like. See, it smells like Dr. Pepper. Okay, so I'm gonna start the timer. In 3. I can't do this for some reason.
I'm scared to do this. I don't know why.
I just want to do it right now. I just want to get a drink without the video going. Okay. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
How am I doing this?
My eyes are watering.
I'm done.
Excuse me. Holy crap! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just stopped the timer. How did you do that?
I don't know. How did I do that?
Let's show the camera.
That's funny.
Is this the new world record? It's literally gone. Now it's my turn. You're the new record. Now. We had to share a pop. So I'm gonna start it. Well, not restart it. It was like 30.
It's 30.
I didn't work so bad.
I could just keep drinking forever. Nothing in here.
There's gonna be a lot of burp.
I haven't had one.
We just saw some.
Time's running out,
Where
and
the timer was.
that took me like 40 seconds. 30? I don't know.
Done.
It was so quick for me. I'm like, I don't know.
My pen hurts. Yours was like 30 seconds. It was stopped at 30 seconds. And I literally, my freaking thumb.
We can always do it with water.
My thumb
And do it
hurts.
again.
My thumb hurts.
Apparently, if there's something good I can drink, it's
Does
just like,
your thumb hurt?
no.
Your thumb doesn't hurt.
No.
Does thumb hurt? It feels weird.
You know what? It
You couldn't
hurts.
see us because
Nothing hurts.
I got done at 8 seconds. She got done at 30 seconds.
Who knows? Maybe less. I don't know.
I think it was 30 seconds. You're just like, good.
How am I doing this?
Never trying with pop again, my stomach hurts. We're gonna do it with water now, and we're gonna fill our cups and thing. So let me show you mine, since I couldn't show you Abby's and I forgot. But it like stopped at 30 seconds, guys.
She couldn't really show you, and it didn't stop at the exact time, so we don't know.
8 seconds, right there. And then we're gonna chill with water. So I'm gonna pause the video, and we'll be back. See, mine's gone. You can't see because it's black.
How about there?
Yeah, I don't know how you did that either. Okay, so we filled our cups with water. Abby, how about you show yours? Because my cup's dark. And we did it, here, they can't really see it. Like we did it right there.
This is gonna be tiring.
Yes, it will. My stomach really hurts.
My does.
This looks like pop to me and I don't want to do it. Okay, so let me
I saw you
reset
burn.
the timer. I'm going to start it.
I'm doing this.
Does it smell like water?
It smells like nothing.
Nothing. Perfect. Just to know it's not poisoned.
Honestly, this
Okay, ready?
fun.
I'm doing this too. Set. There. can't stand up.
Done. It was 30 seconds. 37 seconds.
Stop.
I watched it and it was 37 seconds.
Stop. Life is stopping. Okay. She did
37 seconds.
I'm still going. You're way better at this.
Yes, Bethany, I apparently.
Oh, my stomach. You know, I'm not going to go any far. Yes, I will go any far.
Bethany, you still have a lot of water. Look at this. Just look.
I can't see like that. I don't know if you can see it either. I think I'm going to pass out of water. I was going to purpose. It tastes like Taco Bell because we had Taco Bell for dinner. Me and Abby.
I'm gonna burp.
You literally said, I'm gonna burp. And it said, it burped. You're like, I'm burping at the same time.
Burp.
Saying, okay.
I wonder if I can do
Here we
this.
go.
I'm gonna see if I can drink a little
I
bit.
did it.
I'm gonna see if I can drink
10
a little.
seconds. My last one was 8. Oh my god, I'm so bad.
I'm gonna see if I can drink that much in 10 seconds. Let's hope I can.
Abby, you're gonna have a full stomach, and then we're gonna get fat, and then we're gonna explode. Oh no, when I laugh, my belly jiggles.
Bethany, start turning. I'm gonna see if I can drink this much. I'm going to try to drink that much. In
I'm gonna
10 seconds.
throw up. I'll be back.
Bethany, you're not gonna throw up.
Yeah, I am.
Bethany, what's wrong with you?
I'll be right back. You can start the timer and talk to the camera. Talk to the phone. Goodbye.
Okay,
Oh,
ready?
stop
Set.
Stop the timer. Remember that.
Bethany, I have 4 seconds left and I finished. And it's going.
Wow, is the camera still on? How do I show them? I'm gonna go lay down.
I'm apparently done.
Oh, okay. Bye, you guys.
That was our video. I
I want to die now. Okay.
even though I won like 1,000 times in
Even though it's for you guys, you know I have 2 subscribers. Which is me following me. So no one else has followed me. So following, no subscribing. Okay. Watching
burp
too much
again.
Instagram. Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.